Hey everybody, here's one of my bag setups. I'm really excited to show you. It's another product by SOE, Special Operations Equipment. In my opinion, they make the best gear in the world. That's why you see so much of it on this channel. A lot of you know that I like medical. I think you need to be prepared with medical. This is an SOE medical backpack. Really cool design. This is in multi-cam black and red. Has a MOLLE on the front, MOLLE on the sides here. Has the compression straps so we can cinch it in. Has the shoulder straps that you can tuck in the back. It's also a pocket. You could probably run a seat collar in here. The Fastex clips, you could probably clip this into a certain type of carrier as well. It's got the Velcro patch panel. It's got the medical patch there. It zips all the way open, which is really neat, so you can set it down and work out of it. It does come with all 6 pouches. It comes with 4 small pouches, 2 large pouches. And here on top, I've got a pair of safety glasses and a headlamp thrown in directly on top. So when I open it, I'm able to work through it. The way I've got this set up is basically 4 identical pods that you can rip off and throw to someone treating. And each pod's set up the same. Each pod has a windlass tourniquet, a pair of gloves, a thermal blanket, a compression bandage, an MPA, combat gauze, compressed gauze, a pair of shears. Some of them have double gauze, combat gauze, just for additional compression material. So all 4 of these are set up identical. These 2 here are going to have more additional support material with extra gloves, more compressed gauze, more additional compression bandages, the larger H bandage, Israeli bandage, also chem sticks in several of them. So basically this is set up for trauma. This is a big trauma, major bleeding, airway challenges, chest compression or chest airway challenges, major bleeding. These have the Velcro panel on the back, and it also has a pocket here where you can again add additional things such as collars, additional chest seals, larger items, SAM splints fit really well back there. This bag is really useful for not just medical, because you can use these pouches in other ways. Set it up as everyday carry backpack. Compartmentalize your items. It's got the YKK zippers. When these things come up for sale, definitely pay attention, grab one. To me, it's one of the best medical backpacks on the market. I've got packs from NAR, from TSSI, from Eagle, Black Hawk Stomp. I've got probably every medical backpack you can name, and this is my favorite just because of the design. It's modular, it's compact, but robust enough to carry plenty of medical supplies. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any ideas how you would set it up or anything you would do different, comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more stuff coming, a lot more gear, and a lot of ideas hopefully to help you guys prepare. And until next time, we'll see you later. Take care.